Today I'm going to be showing you how to balance your pool and spa water. What we have is our test kit here. It's actually got instructions inside the lid on this particular kit. There's several different kinds of kits. I like this kit. Anyway, what we do is take our water sample here. We want to be as accurate as we can to fill it up to the lines here that are marked for us. This one's a little high, so I'm going to knock a little bit out there. There we go. That looks right. For the pH test, which is what we want to test first, we're going to put 5 drops of R4 here, and we want to be as accurate as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see it start to change color here. Alright, and our ideal color is going to be somewhere in 7.4 to 7.8. We're good there. Shake it up. When I took my water sample, what I did was I dipped it in upside down as deep as I can reach my hand in the pool, and then flip it over so we get a water sample that's not directly on the surface of the water. We want to actually get a good water sample, an accurate reading of what's in the pool or the spa. You can see the color on this. You sort of want to look at it on a tan or a white background as you look through, and we're looking pretty good here at 7.6 to 7.8. That's about ideal. 7.6 is great. Now for our chlorine side, another thing I want to tell you is not to use your hands to cover these when you mix your reagents here. We're going to add, to test the chlorine, we're going to do 5 drops of R1 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then 5 drops of R2. It's kind of funny that the smaller side gets 2 sets of drops, but that's how it is for testing the chlorine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There we go. And you can see it starting to turn red, pink. Now if at this point you saw it turn, if you had seen it turn red real quick and then all of a sudden go clear, that would mean we actually had too much chlorine, and it would be bleaching out the test. And that happens when you have over 10 parts per million chlorine. Here on our test, once again looking at a tan or a white background, we're looking at a 3 or 4 on the chlorine side, maybe even a 5. That's a little high, but this is on a spa, and that's kind of good because a spa is such a small body of water, and people sweat a lot when they're in a spa, and chlorine, that's your disinfectant, so that's just keeping things clean. But you're actually okay, around 1 or 2 parts per million chlorine in a pool, or in a spa. But I actually like to keep my spas a little bit higher, just because it's such a, it's a smaller body of water. If our pH was high, that's alkaline, then we would want to add muriatic acid to lower it down. Now if our pH was low, that's acidic, we would want to add soda ash to raise the pH up.